Check, check.
Yeah.
Microphone check. Alright, start talking. Just let me test.
Check,
Let me
check.
get your levels.
Check, 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 check. Yeah, yeah. I'm inside here, about to drop something, you know, making big moves. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah.
Alright, my man, third degree, up in the big house.
Yeah, in the big house. Step out.
Word up, man. Won't you just go ahead and spit it?
Ready?
Yeah, go ahead.
Alright. This is to my cats on the outside, to the death of my cousin Ty, to the cats just getting by. Word to Greenfield, cause I'm missing every bit of living. Locked away and I'm seeing every bit of prison. Hey yo, Kaz, man, I thank you for what you're doing. You're keeping it truer than most cats on my blueprint. To God, you make me smile, cause I know you're in my presence. I'm sick of this lifestyle, I'm starting to get the message. And to my grandma for staying strong, you're like my mother, my crutch when I need someone to lean on. Spitz and Shaw, the whole field specialist. I thank you for the good times. I'm here to the depth of it all. I'm staying strong as I'm locked behind walls. And even though the devil tempts me, never could I fall to his level. This message to all cats listening, I'll be back again. Greenfield, I miss you, and it's gonna be alright, cause I'm on God's side. These 3 years is only gonna make me stronger, and it's alright. Word to my mother, my sister, Greenfield, I'm gonna miss you. Yeah.
Word up.
Yeah, yeah, got it.
Hey, man. Look, I'm gonna jump up off here. I got some things to do, but
Yeah, yeah. Alright.
happy birthday, man, and stay up, man.
Yeah, tell everybody I said what's up.
I will for sure, man. Look out for that that money order and that letter pretty soon, the next couple days.
Alright, good looking now.
Alright, man, I got you.
Alright.
Alright, peace.